In this video tutorial I will explain to you how you manage break time deductions using Work Time Manager. There is two methods of capturing break time. The first method, which is not implemented at this stage, is you let the employee to enter the break time using the mobile app. The second option is to let Work Time Manager automatically deducts the break time from the employee's worked hours based on how many hours they worked during the shift. In order to set up the auto break time deductions, you will need first to enable break time deduction on the time attendance setting and then configure the break time deduction rule for every site that your employees works on. Please note that unpaid breaks are not automatically deducted from employees' worked hours unless the allow break time flag is enabled and the break time capturing method is also selected. So, let us see this in action. We first configure the break time deductions on the setting. So, go to App Setting, then we select Time Attendance and then Required Fields tab. On this tab, make sure that you enable Allow Break Time, then from the drop-down list, select the proper deduction method. As we can see, we now have three options to select from. Select option number 3 if break time deductions in your organization is only applicable on particular dates. For example, you want the system to deduct break time for weekdays only and not on weekends. If you select this option, the system will display a new window where you can select which days to enforce the break time deductions. But on this video, and for the purpose of this demo, we will select the second option, which is to deduct break time for all working days. Let us save our setting. Now that we have defined which break time method we want to use, we will need to set the break time deduction rule for our sites, so let us navigate to the site screen and select a site so we can set the break time rule for it. As we can see, break time deduction is set to no deductions by default. The system gives us the ability to auto-deduct break time for all employees that work above certain number of hours. For example, we want the system to automatically deduct 30 minutes of unpaid break if employee works more than 6 hours. So, we just select 6 hours from the list and then just enter 30 minutes. Now let us save the record. This is all what we have to do. Please remember that you have to set this rule for every applicable site. To see how the system will deduct the break time, let us jump to the time attendance screen and view time attendance record for one of the employees. As we can see here that a 30 minutes break was deducted for all shifts where employee has worked 6 hours and more, and no deduction was done for the last 2 attendance records because the total work time is less than 6 hours. That is all for this video. Hopefully this video was helpful for you.